In this video, we'll talk about 10 remarkable traits of successful learners. Number 1, persistence. One of the things that prevents us from achieving greatness is the lack of persistence. For you to achieve a goal, you need to put in the needed amount of work. But unfortunately, only a very few people manage to do this. That is why all the grand ideas and ambitions in life of many are just there, wasting away. Understand that learning is a continuous process, and you can't use just a single day to learn and know everything. Even if you get the basics, keep learning more, and keep doing better. Don't be like people who don't care about the process but only want to see the final product. Be concerned and interested in both. Number 2, patience. Successful learners are masters of patience and persistence because these two attributes are siblings. You can't be persistent if you're not patient, and if you're not persistent, it's an indication that you're not patient enough. In your journey to accomplish your goal, persistency and patience are the two elements that will guide you to keep your boat rowing through the hurdles and winds you're likely to experience. Number 3, conceptual learning. The final grade that you get isn't what matters, but your understanding of the concept. Understanding and grasping concepts are the core beliefs of successful learners, and you should focus more on building and strengthening your concepts. Number 4, strong memory. After building a strong concept, there are some things that you must memorize. You need to spend more time on building a strong memory because maximum memorization and minimal concept is required for some things. Language is an example. Number 5, leading abilities. Successful learners enjoy the opportunity of improving their social status and having more influx of wealth with the knowledge they possess. With this knowledge, they're admired, respected, and recognized as a learned individual. In social gatherings, you'll find them to be very important, with lots of accolades showered on them. Their aura has a magnetic effect, and they become a leader by nature with the personality created as all these factors add up. Number 6, discerning valuable from the useless. Successful learners understand that they cannot give their 100% to everything that comes their way. They understand the 80-20 principle, the Pareto's principle. The consciousness they've derived from this has helped them to be able to know what really requires their attention and what doesn't. Number 7, bold attitude. It takes a bold attitude to learn successfully. Though you may find this to be a bit weird, the simple fact remains that it takes courage to learn anything. For example, someone who wants to learn a subject or a skill understands that there's a level of effort required, and there's a need to dedicate time for learning, and despite recognizing how tedious it may be, still goes ahead. What else will you call this if it's not courage? One of the habits of successful learners you must learn to emulate is being courageous to take on a bold attitude as you embark on a path that's laced with uncertainty and hardship. Number 8, questioning. You'll be able to uncover some aspects that you never know about when you question yourself and your logic. As a matter of fact, one very useful learning method you can make use of is self-questioning, also referred to as elaborative interrogation. Questioning the matter is the key to effective learning, and if you want to attain perspective by looking at a topic from diverse views and angles, you need to question while you learn. Whatever it is that you're trying to learn, ask yourself questions about it. Number 9, following routines. One of the most useful techniques you must learn is how to manage your time. This is very crucial in this world that's replete with distractions. A routine and priority order will always help you because daily routines can be quite effective for time management. Thus, you must learn to create and follow routines. However, know that it takes a whole lot of high self-discipline to follow routines. Number 10, sticking to their learning style. As earlier mentioned, everyone has their respective learning style that works best for them. While it can also be interesting to explore other learning styles, it's advisable that you stick to your learning style. You'll be able to maximize your learning and focus your learning methodology according to your style when you know the kind of learning style that works best for you. Major learning styles include kinesthetic, hands-on learners, reading-writing learners, auditory learners, and visual learners.